Today we're gonna look at the difference between porcupines and hedgehogs. Let's do with the size. The hedgehogs are smaller, about this size, but hedgehogs are about this size. Very huge respect animal, right? Even lions are afraid of it. Do you know why? Because it can shoot quills. They're even fatal. It can kill. So if you ever see a giant triangular black and white thing sticking out of the grassy savannah, run for your lives. And now let's do the hedgehog. It's about this size, not that big, and it can roll into a ball, but porcupines can't. And look on the bright side, they don't shoot quills. And their only defense is rolling into a ball. And now, let's see what they eat. Sometimes hedgehogs eat bugs because they're carnivores on top of the insect chain, right? And porcupines eat grass. And that's all of it. Thank you. Bye.